Hello everyone. Today I'm sharing real story with you. One of my potential client, he approached me around 7 to 8 months back and he wanted to have a assistance for his job placement. So when I saw his resume, I found him really very well qualified chef. He worked in USA, UAE, and Singapore. He worked with JW Marriott. He worked with Ritz Carlton. So he worked with different companies. He really have a good profile. So when I saw his profile, I told him that I can definitely help him to get a job in Canada. But I need little extra time. I need around 7 to 8 months because pandemic there were no job vacancies. He was so desperate after my advice. He don't wanted to wait 7 8 months. After my advice, he been to different agents. Now he found one agent who promised him that he can find him job immediately in Canada, and that employer also providing him free flight ticket, free accommodation, and free meal. Now in pandemic, when there is shortage of jobs, that agent promised him that he can find you job with those much of benefits. And upon asking the charges, agency told him that they will only charge him 50,000 rupees for visit visa application. Now why visit visa application? He put one condition that candidate will go to Canada on visitor visa, and in Canada they will help him to convert from visitor status to worker status. Getting visitor visa converted to worker is really difficult and risky. Now in this situation, you can think about the mindset of the candidate. In this situation, he has a strong desire, candidate has a strong desire to come to Canada, and with that mindset, if somebody promised him that they will get a job in Canada with those much of benefits, the mind don't think anything else, mind start believing that person, mind start believing that agent. He was so happy, the candidate was so happy, he blindly signed this document and allowed agency to apply for his visit visa. Once he applied for his visit visa, one agency applied for his visit visa, it was taking longer time to get visitor visa approval. Because of pandemic, it's normal. Any visit visa application currently taking longer than usual. So it was taking longer. So candidate called me again. He told me, sir, I apply for visit visa. How much time it will take? I told him it's take longer time, but why you apply for visit visa? Because we were giving you a work permit after 7 8 months. He said, sir, I got this agency. He told me they are giving a free job. You have to come to Canada, and then they can convert visitor to worker. He told me all the story. I told him, look, first of all, it's very difficult to get a job right now. Can you please send me the screenshot what document he submitted for your visit visa application? And to my surprise, I found, and I told him too, I found that agency submitted only forms, visa application form, his photo and his passport. And with that document, it's impossible to get visit visa application. I told him to make an inquiry. With that agency, why that agency only submit this much of documents. Upon his inquiry, agency replied him back that candidate has US visa, candidate has a really good strong travel history, and because of he has US visa in his stamp in his passport, they do not need any other document. Canada visa will get automatically approved. Now at this situation, Canada and USA are two different countries. Having USA stamp in the passport, US visa stamp in the passport do not have any influence or any impact in Canadian visa application. Those countries, two different visa processing. And after few days, he got his visit visa refused. Now agency charged him 50,000 rupees. They are not going to refund that 50,000 rupees because visa is refused at the first place. Whatever promises they made for the job is not coming into exist. So he hopes for the job, he lose 50,000 rupees, and now he's jobless and he got a refusal on his visit visa. After first application refusal, getting subsequent application approved is really tough. So whenever you do application, do it right at the first time. So I would like to tell you some facts. Most of the employer, they do not provide free accommodation unless and until it's a remote area location. Most of the employer do not provide you free flight ticket unless it's a low skill job. And in hospitality job, one time meal is free. If they have the restaurant, there is one time meal is free. So again, if you find those facts, if you check and double check with your friends, colleagues, relative who's already in Canada, and you can check things on YouTube, you can check things on YouTube, you can check things on Google, you will find the facts. So you don't have to fall into the trap. You can avoid those trap by yourself. Small things, double checking the stuff, double checking the facts, it's really helpful to make a decision. Agency, the fraudulent agencies are there. There are lots of good agencies, they are really good, doing good job, but there are fraudulent agencies also. If you are aware of this situation, then you will avoid that trap. My name is Santosh. I am regulated Canadian immigration consultant. My office here in Calgary. If you want to come to Canada or you are aspiring to come to Canada, then this is the right channel for you. I hope you like this session. Have a nice day.